Magandang hapon po ng March 5, 2024 Tuesday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 p.m. draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng March 5, 2024 Tuesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 p.m. 3D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng Tuesday, March 5, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 p.m. 'See you again later for 9 p.m. draw result of Ultra Lotto 658, Super Lotto 649, Lotto 642, 6D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for March 5, 2024, Tuesday. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Ultra Lotto 658, Super Lotto 649, Lotto 642 for Tuesday, March 5, 2024. Thank you for watching this 5 p.m. video for March 5, 2024, Tuesday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.